Hello there, my name is Marcos Montenegro and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. The first topic for today is the subscriptions. Subscriptions is nothing more than another name to the private studios, but the subscriptions is the way you see as curator in your gallery environment. The subscriptions are created when some user join the gallery by the first time. So when you enter in your first time, will be created one private studio for you. That means we'll be creating one subscription for you, and that will have your name as well. Once you have that subscription created, any workflow you uploaded from the Alteryx designer to the gallery will be published on that private studio you are. So that subscription you are seeing here. But subscriptions don't need to be tied to a specific user. Actually, you can create private studios as curator by any purpose. So you can, for example, create one subscription to a specific team. So let me say you have a sales team and you have 5 people there. If you want, you can create a subscription specific for that team. So let's say the sales subscription, and you're gonna add all that users to that specific subscription. That way, all the workflows anyone publishing the gallery will be added to that same subscription, and everyone in the team will have permissions to see that workflows automatically. That way it's easier to have all your team updated with the workflows of the latest versions of them, and that way you can share in an easier way. But any subscription like that one here on the screen have that permissions, that options to you do. Let's take a look here and see what you can do. So first, that field here is the private studio name. So here you can set any name you want for your team, for your users. So that's the standard name that comes when you as user logging in the first time in the gallery. So like you can see, here is my name and studio. After that, you have the subscription ID is auto created by the gallery, so don't need to worry about that. Also, if you want, that subscription can be assigned to a specific worker to every workflow there. Just run the in that specific worker you want, and to do that, you need on your installation, or even after that, you can in the Alteryx system settings of your worker, you can set there the tag you want for the worker, and later after you do that, you can go here and tie to the specific tag you created in the worker. Also, you have the options here to everyone on that subscription have the API access enabled, and also the share schedules enabled as well. That way you can share the results and the schedules someone created to the rest of the team. If you want to add new users, like you can see here, I'm the only one on that subscription, but I can add any other users to here. And to do that, you just need to click in that add users button and place here the name of that user in that gallery. Okay, you do that, and after that you just need to press save. Actually, any change you do here, after you did, you need to press save, and we'll save that configuration. And as last configuration option you have here, you have the default workflow credentials. If you don't set anything, we'll always use the credentials from the user. But if you change here, you can set one credential you have already created in the credentials page, and you can use that credentials for everyone in that private studio. Going back here to the main page of the subscriptions, Like I said, you have always in the first page that options to add new subscriptions. So if I want to create a new subscription to a team, that means not tied to a specific user, you can just press here and you have the same options we saw before. So you're gonna be able to set the name of the private studio. So I can place here like sales studio, and you can set it that if that people in the private studio will be able to access the API, if you will be able to share schedules, and if you will be needed to set any specific credentials for that private studio here. After you do all that configuration, just press save and that will be created. Just remember, once you move one user from his subscription to another subscription, that user will be just in that new subscription. The users can't be in more than one subscription at the same time. So all the users will have always only one subscription. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching!